Today, you're going to learn how to turn anyone into a heavenly angel using only Adobe After Effects. First, import your video clip into After Effects, then drag your clip down into the timeline. Next, we're going to isolate our subject. Select the pen tool from the toolbar. Use the pen tool to carefully outline the person in your video. This will create a mask. Once you've closed the mask, use the feather setting on the mask in the timeline to smooth the edges. Now, right-click the video clip and select Pre-Compose. Name your pre-composition something memorable. Time to add the angelic features. Import your wing and halo graphics. Place the wing slightly behind the subject and adjust their size. Put the halo above the subject's head and align it. With the wings and halo selected, add a glow effect for both items. Adjust the glow settings to give the wings and halo a heavenly glow. You can experiment with the glow colors. Congratulations, you've created your own angel effect. Your video is now transformed into a heavenly demonstration. Play with more features and styles to enhance your own masterpiece. Now it is your turn.